hello. Good afternoon, guys. How are you now? Today we will start for the lecture of Building Information Modeling, Revit Architecture Lecture 1. This is our first time to have the training for the Building Information Modeling. Hello, for the viewers, thank you very much for all who are visiting in my channel. Thank you, Jenny Nabs. Hello, Sir Dan. Good afternoon po. Para po, countdown. Wow, Jenny Nabs. Chris Shumi present. Carl Michael Tenorio, I'm present. Yes. For kamusta rin po. Thank you very much, guys. No, I hope you will learn for this short training for almost, I think, 2 hours. We will discuss about the building information modeling. So this will be a great advantage on your side as engineers or architects. No, any course you can study, you can learn building information modeling, because this is the new technology, and actually this is globally. No? Carmichael Tenorio, good afternoon, sir. Then thank you very much. Okay. We will discuss many topics from day 1. This is day 1 until you get more information about BIM. Not only in architectural, so we will touch all the discipline, interior, structural, MEP, including infrastructure also. We will discuss these things, and also landscape architecture, we can touch that also, including also the Nabis work. No, hi, thumbs up po. Joan Cruz, how are you, Joan? Hello. Knowledge based on my experience. No, hello po. Thank you very much, guys. Today, our topic, of course, for those who are new on this software, I want you to concentrate, no, because this is the very beginning of our discussion regarding this building information modeling in Revit. So first of all, I will go on architectural, but before anything else, I need to discuss to you the basic, no, fundamentals for those doesn't have background on the fundamentals of Revit. Sapphire Pink, hello, Sir Dan. Thank you very much, Sapphire Pink. Thank you very much. So now I will discuss you one by one about the command system on the menu bar. So I will show you this Revit software by showing you about the okay, this is the screen. Okay, it is clear. You can see the screen, or I can make a full monitor, but my face are not shown. It's better to show my face. Okay, I think it is clear to you. So first of all, we will discuss this menu bar. So this is the screen. So I will show to you how to do the command on the menu bar one by one, because I don't want to discuss to you about the theory because it will take time. That's why I need directly on the SKU what is the functions of each tools bar. Now, first of all, we will go to architectural. Of course, we need to discuss first the walls, because this walls is the important materials on the building. So we need to know the types of wall, how you will do this to construct your own beam model based on the uh, actual building construction. So now I'm doing the wall, no? I think it is clear to you, no? On this screen, this is the wall. This is architectural. These types, no, classified into three types: the wall architectural, wall structural, and wall by phase. So we have a wall sweep, and then we have this wall reveal. First, we will create a wall. This wall, I'll draw a double line, but when I go to the menu bar, the 3D, you will notice that is automatic on the 3D side. Hi Mark, thank you Mark. So this is automatic on the view side, but if I will go on the plan, you will see the top view. Anyway, this is the browser organization, no, where you can find the views extracted from the model, the general, the 3D view, and then the floor plans from basement 1. This is empty, nothing. But you will see afterwards. You will see the arrangements once we created all the partitions on the basement, including doors, all the family that are hosted on the walls. So basement 2, nothing until lower roof line, nothing, empty. But we can start on that arrangement. But first of all, that's why I'm discussing to you about the classifications of the wall. Glendori Junior Olila, hi, how are you? So this is the wall. First, you need to create the properties, or what type of walls you want to place on your drawing. So by clicking this and then go to the type properties, you will notice on the type properties there's a family, the system family, the basic wall, and the curtain wall, and then stock wall. So we will discuss what is the usage of these three types of walls. And then you can edit this. This is the type, which means the type of wall, whether this is CHB wall 100 or CHB wall 150, 200, or 300. You can create by duplicating the walls here. You can create also the gypsum wall, the board wall, or whatever types of wall cladding you can create here. But meantime, you can name that and the properties that your wall is W1, you can make W2, or you can make WA. It's up to you what symbol you want to place on your tagging on the wall. So until you can create 300 thickness concrete wall. So by doing that, you can duplicate that and then make it more so it will automatically created on the type of wall. And then, of course, you need to adjust your structure. You can change that to 300. And then once you click OK, it will change automatic the size of the wall. To check that, this arrow, you need to touch that line. It will show to you the thickness of the wall is already 300 millimeter. Marlon Espinosa, hello po sa lahat. Thank you very much. So that is, anyway guys, you can go inside if you want to join with me on the discussion. You can ask a question. So whatever question you need to ask, you can ask for some clarification. So this is 300, and then if you want another 200 wall, you can duplicate and make it. Editing this, you can make 150 wall. Okay, this is the basic for that. After we discuss all the functions of the main menu, we will create a model step by step. So I will show you how to create in a easy manner. Hi Jonathan Abiso, good PM po Sir Dan, thank you very much. So again, I created already the thickness of the wall, CSB wall 200, and then of course I will change the thickness 150. Okay, so you will notice I created two, 150 CSB wall and 300. We call that the type of wall. So type of wall, one is 150 CSB wall and the another one is 300 CSB wall. And then just okay, it will change automatically. Okay, and then the hatch, filled region inside the walls, it's already cutted under the vertical cutting plane is already 1.20 meters. Once you cut the wall, you will notice that there is a standard rule, standard filled region or hatch pattern on the cut wall. Once we cut the wall, if the CSB, the standard cutting pattern for the CSB is, it will look like this. You can edit this one, and then this is the properties of the wall to show the cut pattern, no? So this is the cut pattern. We will change the cut pattern. There is a double cross. You will notice the double cross is the hatch of the CSB wall. In actual, the masonry, they are making on the laying of the walls. They are making for their tools to cross cut the cement, and then after that they will lay again another CSB wall. So this is the standard cross pattern for the walls. So depends on what standard, if this is ANSI 138 or ISO or BS, like this, and then we can choose this one, or we can choose this one as a black wall, and then you will see it's already changed. And then once you okay, it will come the hatch automatically in a gray scale. Why in a gray scale? If this is in the black scale, it will make more ink once you print on the white paper. So to save the ink, it's better, and it's good, the gray scale. You can make a gray scale dark or whatever you want. There's no problem. So this is the one, and then I will create also a wall 300. You will notice doesn't have the same also, because I can change also this by duplicating that one. I will work on that, or here I will use that as a hatch pattern. See, the hatch pattern is different. Cherry May Calibo, thank you. Tamsak House, thank you very much. Okay, and then go here, you will see it's different. No, I moved to the other side. So the architectural types of wall you can create from 100, 200, 150, 300, 400, 500, or whatever type gypsum board you can create, double, single gypsum board you can create here by duplicating and put the hats. Anyway, you can go for the color here. You can make a wireframe. You can make the medium or coarse, but usually always on the pine to show that the hats pattern on the cutting plane. But if this is on the top, you're looking on the top like this, it will not show the cut pattern because it's already on the top. So that is a surface pattern. So the hats for the surface pattern is different from the cut pattern, also for the line pattern. So the line pattern, you will notice the line pattern here. This is important on the making of production drawing because you will drag this on the sheet, and then you need to show the line weight of your walls. See, adjust this. Later I will explain to you how to adjust on that line pattern from 0.1, 2, 3 until 0.20 millimeter. So to hide that, click this line, thin lines. It will hide, and then it will create on. We will go on structural. Wall structural. We'll create wall, and then choose the structural wall, solid concrete, reinforced concrete. So see, it is not shown because it is already on down on the basement side, I think. See, so you need to drag up and then go back to the ground floor. You will see the structural difference between architectural wall and structural wall. If you will go on the properties and then click the discipline, because this is architectural, it will show both concrete walls, even if this is a retaining wall, even if this curtain wall. So it will shown on the views both walls. But if you will go on the structural, it will show only the structural. It will remove the architectural walls. So that is the difference. That's why be careful on the usage of the walls, type of walls, because they are different. So if you are working, or if you are creating on the walls, make it sure that you are working on the architectural, because once you create this, both you use structural instead of architectural, it will show on the structural plans. Okay, so this is the structural. You can also create by duplicating different types of the wall. You will notice I did not put the plastering on that because we doesn't know what the interior discipline will do on their types of finishes of the wall. That's why that is separated. You will link the whole plan of the architectural into architectural, and then the interior will do the finishing on a beam. That is the procedure how to work on that. So that is concrete structural wall, and then we'll duplicate also. Duplicate, I can make that 500, no? Thickness concrete wall. So, and then of course you need to edit this thickness, make it 500, and then okay. See? So I will make the other one, the 300 one, that is structural wall. So when you measure that, click this dimension, see, 500. millimeter. Erase 500, and then this is 300. So it is clear that I made types of wall. One is 500, one is 300, the architectural wall. The other is 200, the other is 100. So when you go on 3D, it will show to you the type of walls. Okay? So here, another type of wall. We already finished the architectural wall and its properties, and also the structural wall, and you can modify also its properties. Now, the wall by phase. How to work on the wall by phase? To do this, because this vertical wall, you cannot incline, you cannot rotate that. It's already fixed, vertical. You cannot use the wall as a slab or floor. No, that is category of the wall, because if you will do that, it will you will commit mistakes on the schedule. So that's why the wall by phase is separated. You can use this if you have this inclined wall, or equivalent to 30 degrees inclination or 45 degrees inclination. You need to work on the wall by phase. For example, to do that, make this massing, create mass, and then okay, this one. After that, click this one, and then solid form, and then go finish, and then go to 3D. You will see that is massing, no? We will create a inclined wall. Just go click that and drag going up, and then this one, edit in place, and then you will notice this one to be highlighted, all the sides. Then click that one, and then drag this one going to the right. See, inclined, no? You will see that the wall is already inclined, and then that is the time to create the by phase, no? Wall by phase. So this is the wall by paste. You need to click this one. This is wall by paste. Click this one, wall by paste, and then go to this edge, okay? This edge, click this one, and then you will notice that it will create the wall. See? That is the wall. And then this massing, you can hide now temporarily to show that inclined wall. How hide element. This is hide element temporarily. So this is the wall now. Inclined wall. So that is the usage of the wall by paste. Okay? I think it is clear. Reset, and then we can move this one here. Okay. That is only a sample, no? After we finish command menu, we will go on the modeling of the building. Athena Margab, thumbs up po. Thank you very much, Athena. Okay. And then, the third, fourth, and then fifth, wall sweep and wall rebuild. How to do that, how to work on that. So we finished the three types of wall, the architectural, the wall structural, and also the wall by paste. So we will create the wall sweep, okay, by clicking this one and then go here. See, this is the wall sweep. First we need to change the properties of the wall. The surface pattern, I will change that surface pattern to be white. This is the background. This is foreground, so we need to change that to be blank, solid only. I don't want this color, or I can change that to white, not to show that surface pattern. And then okay, and then okay, and then okay. See, no surface pattern. So we had this surface pattern, cut pattern, and line pattern. So we need to remember that. So this is the sweep, wall sweep. No, the fourth type of walls, the wall sweep. And then next is the wall reveal. Click this one, and then it will create the opposite one. The other is exposed. The other is inside. This is outside. Revealed. See? I'll change this thickness to 300. It's better. See? Also, you can change also the profile of this. You can create the moldings for this external moldings, or inside the wall internal molding. By doing this, we need to get the profile. I think we can open the library and then getting the profile. Where are you now? This is the library, metric library, and then go to the profile. It's already standard on the BIM Revit, the library. You can go to the profile. Okay, so if this is concrete, you can use concrete, precast, or this is the capping, this is the decking for the roof, and then we can go to the cornice profile. See, So we can use that. Open. That we call this a family. We can enlarge that. Okay. We can go family profile. We can call this family profile, and then you can load this, load into project, and then close. Once you load, it will automatically close. Load into project. Okay. And then go to the 3D. So to change that profile, just click this one and then go to the family properties, type properties. You will notice on the properties that the default profile, you can change that to traditional. Okay. And then material, later you can change the material if you can use gypsum board. Paulo Regis, hi. How are you? Welcome. So you can change the materials later if you will use gypsum board or you concrete. And then after that, you can go apply. And then okay. Maybe too small. You can change that. It is too small. You can use another one. This one. This one. Okay. Load. Okay. So we'll change that. And then okay. See? It's already changed the profile. And you can change also this one. Okay, this one. By going to the type properties. Click this one, then apply. Okay. See, opposite. So it is easy. The other one is reveal. The other one is recess. See? And then you can show the column, the color. See? So it is simple. So we finish this. Wall architecture, we finish structural, we finish wall by pace, we finish wall sweep, we finish wall reveal. Next, placing of the door. Okay, how to work on the door. So go to the plan. We'll remove this first. I will delete that. So I will increase this one. I will move first. I will create this wall. Okay. And then I will create partition. To show the door. Okay. In creating the doors, you need to click the door and then go again. Always you need to go to the type properties, family properties, and then click that. You can choose on the family what type of door you want to use on your interior or external wall as an entry. So I will choose this one. For example, a hollow metal louver door, hollow metal door, double or single. double. Okay, this is outside, for example this one. So just only see, and then you will notice once I go on the 3D, you will see the doors. Okay, see, and then you can copy also, create other side. Okay, and then create here. Just only how to work on the door. It's very easy. You can change the size of the door by duplicating that. For example, I want to create door size. I will make this D30, for example. D30, okay, and I'll make 2,500 or 3,000 the height. Okay, width, first width, and then height is, let's say, 2,500. Okay, 3 is width, the height is 2.5. This is D30. Okay, D30, and then okay, of course here the size you need to change this to be 3, and then 2,500. This height should be the same with this because it will reflect on this schedule. If this is wrong and then this is correct, so there is a discrepancy. No, you need to put correct. 3 by 250, and then 3 by 250, and then after that, okay, it will change all. See, this D30 is changed. If they are the same type of doors, once I change the size, it will change all. See, I will select this one. I will change to D30. It will change to become D30, and also this. You can use to modify. You can use match properties. Click this one. It will change. Like in AutoCAD, match properties. Okay. So thank you very much, guys, for how many viewers we have. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. So next, Buhaw Jack, watching for Qatar, Middle East region. Thank you, Buhaw Jack. Buhawi Jack, thank you. So, see? And then, single door, you can also place here, single door. Door, single. Choose this. Single, okay, you can place here, you can place here, whatever you want. So you can click this one to other side. You can move. If you want this one to become 200, it will adjust automatically. Click this one, 200, adjust automatically. Okay, so this one, you can mirror by just clicking this one on the center. Should be on the center. If not in the center, it will not mirror. Okay, see, automatic, and then after that delete that. So you'll see that arrangement. Okay, and then window also the same procedure. You can place the window here, just only a sample to show to you how to work on the window, on the doors. So once you created the actual building, you can place that. So that is the window. Okay, that's the window. So you can place also what type of recess molding on the facades of the walls. You can do whatever kind of design you can place on the walls. So this is the one. And then after the window, I hope after that we can create, we can assemble building. We can work on the 10-story building using all these applications. So it will become easy for you because you can follow on the tools command tools here. I need to close all by just clicking this one. It will close all. See, it's already closed. And then we finish wall architectural, wall structural, wall by pace, wall swept, wall rebuild. We already finished. Also the doors, also the windows, we finished also. And then we will go on the component. So we had two components. One is the place component, and the second is the model in place. What is the difference of the model in place and then place a component? The difference between two, the place a component, this is loadable. This is from family on the libraries. You will load on your beam model as a parametric because you can adjust the parameter, the dimension, the properties. You can change. That is place a component like the walls, the doors and windows. We call that a component. So loadable. It is loadable on your modeling. So the model in place component is originally inside the model. This is spatial, like a miscellaneous, no? Spatial model. For example, you want to work on the facades where the design is very complicated. You can work inside the family. So to do that, for example, I will do the table. For example, I will create here this component, model in place. I will model here the component like fountain here. For example only, I will create model in place, and then you need to click the category. If this is casework, if this is belongs to ceiling, if this is belongs to columns, doors, electrical equipment. But for the meantime, I will use that as a generic ceiling, floor, generic models. Okay, I will place here. Of course, first I will make this extrusion. I will use this extrusion. I will draw this. Okay. So 5 meters, for example, only. You can adjust down, bring down, and then make it an offset. This is offset, this is offset. For example, 1 meter offset. Okay, 1 meter offset, and then just trim this, trim this. You need to use this one, trim. Okay, okay, and then after that, click this one, and then you will see that is a component. Make a 3D. You can drag this up. Okay, you will see. Go to properties and open the section box. This is the section box to cut this one to show inside. Okay, so this is the in place model in place, no? That is model in place. This one, place a component. This is from outside Revit, and then you need to load on your project. We call this a family, the content family, loadable. You can move here. You can add this one by editing this one, and then create again. For example, you want this swept, no? You can make a path, for example this one. Okay, and then you want to make a molding here, finish, and then edit profile. You can create here, for example here, you see this one is already a part of this model. See, if you move that one, it will move. And then you can edit this one, edit. Okay, and then click edit, and then pick path also, pick path here, 3D, click one, click one, click one, and then just okay, okay, and then you will see that one is already here. And then finish. So this is a part of the model in place component, and then you can create here, edit again, and then you need to create a vertical like a statue here. Just go to the, for example, edit extrusion or create. You need to go to axis rotation, we can cancel. We need to create an elevation. Okay, just move this section here, go here, so you will see this one and then edit this one, edit, and then create, pick a plane, this one, axis, this is the axis, okay, and then create the boundary. For example, you want to create a half circle here, and then see, you can make a center, you can place this one, see. So that's, we call that is a model in place component assembly. So we have now 1 hour, no, still continuous, okay. So that is a model in place component. So we discussed already the place in component and then model in place, okay. So we'll go back, I will go on the column, placing of the column on the walls. Just I will close this one and then go back to floor plans, okay. On the floor plans, placing the column, we had two different types of columns, the same also on the wall. That on the column we have structural column and then the architectural column. Usually on the actual practice we are using the structural column because once the structural column from the architectural, so they will not recreate again the column from architectural. So it's easy for the working team to work because you are helping each other, because this is team working. And then column for the architectural, this is only for the facades, no, we are using this for the facades because this will not be a solid concrete. The structural column is a solid concrete, so that's why when you put the discipline, if you place that discipline on structural, it will remove the architectural column. To avoid that, it's better to use the structural column. So on working that, we'll place the column, see, smaller. So you'll notice that the column is hidden because it's already on the basement. So we need to adjust that, see, we need to adjust that because that's on the basement. Click this one, drag, you will see that in the basement, and then change the the level, you can go to first floor and then basement, ground floor. It will go up. So you will notice that it's already here. See? So to change the size of the column, you need to adjust the size, or you can choose here the type of column. You can choose, for example, 800 by 800. It will be the same on the base and height of the column, and then click OK. You will notice that the column is already changed. Okay, so this one, it's already changed, and then you can align that, this alignment, align this one here, and then align again here. See, now you can copy now. Because that is on 3D, we'll go on the ground floor. See, copy, just copy, put place here. Okay, see, and then align. Okay, so you can copy by multiple. Ayaw kumagat ah. Yeah, multiple, copy, multiple. Okay. Ganun lang. Oh. Maski hindi naka-align yan, you can align that. Okay. For example, you need to make equal. Just click this one, dimension that, dimension that, and then click this one, and then equal. It will adjust equal. Okay, and then remove that. You will notice that on center to center, you will notice that this is already equal. 8375, 8375 from center to center. See the dimension? Okay. Just remove that. And then copy this. You can copy this. Okay. On the opposite. Okay. And then align that. You can copy on the other side. Okay, to finish the column, no? It's already, the column is already there. Okay, next, what else? Column, and then architectural, they are the same column. You can place this like regions or the 5 orders of architecture with cornice. You can place that on, you can choose that on the library. We call that place a component column. And then in roof, so we had also 3 types of roof: roof by footprint, roof by extrusion, roof by pace. So like this, by pace, by massing, the same what will be on the wall by pace, and then in roof by pace, the same procedure also. And then we have roof soffit, we have roof fascia, and then roof gutter. So first we will create a roof by footprints. Okay, so in creating, of course you need to go to first floor. So to show the first floor, you need to go on the range base level to show the first floor, the ground floor. It will show the ground floor. See, because we will make the lines of almost 1 hour, so remaining another 1 hour. So this is the roof. Okay, roof by footprints. All you have to do is the roof. What is the minimum overhang? 70, or we can create 120. From here you can, okay, make an offset, make it 120, 200, offset this one, offset, okay, and then remove this one, remove this one, remove this one. Okay, after that, this is already the angle. You can edit that. See, 30 degrees. Click this one, you will see 30 degrees. So all of that, 30 degrees angle of inclination, and then check finish, edit mode, and then you will see why like this, because it's already 1.2 cutting plane. That's why it's already cutted on 120 horizontal cutting plane. And then check the view, click this one, raise it up, and then you will see the roof. Okay, so I think you have now a roof. So to edit that, just go also on the first floor plan, and then click one, edit. Okay, if you want to make an extra here, just add another one, and then click this one, and then trim this one, slice this one, and then trim this one, trim. Okay, that is also 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Okay, so just click and then go to see. Okay, okay, so that is the complete roof. And then another one to work on the roof by extrusion. You need to create the roof by extrusion. So move this one, move this one, roof by extrusion, click this one, and then of course you need to pick the plane of extrusion. For example, I need this plane, yeah, like that. Okay, upper roof. Okay, and then after that I will create a roof example like this, and then open. See, like this. That is for extrusion, roof extrusion. See, roof extrusion. The other one is roof by paste. So the same roof, you will create also massing the same on the wall that I created a while ago. So that is the same procedure. You can follow what is the procedure on creating the walls on the massing. So next, we'll create the soffit. Just click this one. We So this is under the other one. So we will leave that because we need to go to the basement. We need to create a fascia for the meantime. Do not save. We need to go to the profile. Okay. This is the fascia. So, and then after that, we'll go to the roof gutter. The same, click this one. You have the roof gutter. Guys, you can change the, this is the generic only. You can change that roof gutter by loading the profile. Roof gutter. See, that's roof gutter. We are using this on the residential housing, on residential building. So that is the roof gutter, how to work on that. So many things, many shortcuts how to work on that. That is only a basic profile for the gutter. Also for the rebuild, as I showed to you, this rebuild wall, this one. See, rebuild or recess. This is recess. See, you can work also on the vertical. Just click this vertical, this one, vertical. Okay. See? So many tools how to assembly or work on the building. So next, ceiling. We'll go on the ceiling. So in creation of the ceiling, it is easy. Just click the ceiling. Okay, we have this automatic. We have sketch. The automatic, if this is only a square or rectangle, you can click this like this. Click. Okay. Click, 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 click. Now you have now ceilings. But if you have irregular rooms, you need to use sketch because that is irregular. So, and then we'll go on the section. You will see this one. So how to adjust this one? Adjustment. You can make an adjustment here, but it's better here on the properties. You can adjust the height. 260, we can make 3,500 for example only. Then it will come up, and then select all instance. Okay, and then 3,500 will goes to 300. All this will goes to 3,500. Opposite section, you will see this one. $3,500. See, and then when you go on that, and then go to the box, section box, you will see the ceiling. Okay, it's done. So that is the ceiling. And then it goes on the floor. Floor, we have 3 types. One for architectural flooring, and then the second one is the structural slab, and then the floor by pace. So the same also on the wall massing by pace. So first we will do this floor architectural. So in creating this wall floor for architectural, just go on the floor and then choose the properties. Okay, what type of floor you want to use. For example, 250. We'll use 250. And then yeah, 250. That's only example, huh? And then create this floor. Just drag this one and then click and then OK. Mode check, finish, and then you have the floor. Just go to section. Now you have the floor. This is your floor. Okay, this is your floor. I think it is clear to you guys. This is floor. Okay, and then we need the architectural and structural. They are the same, but architectural finishes is different. You know, this is architectural. You can duplicate that and then make 100 mm. And then edit 100 and then OK. This is, and then under that you can edit that inside, because the architectural will start on the inside. Just trim, 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 and then trim. Okay, the same also trim, 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 trim. Okay, the same also here, trim, and then trim until you reach this corner. Just only to show to you that part. I will not finish this. It will take time for me. I need to touch other commands and then erase that. Okay, and then finish. That is architectural. Okay, just select that. You can change the properties, the finishes for the architectural. You can place that porcelain tiles. Okay, okay, see, porcelain tiles. Okay, you can edit that, align. Okay, that is porcelain tile. So in doing structural slab, you can copy this one. Do not combine because that is different things. Edit, you can edit this one. Edit boundary, open view. So go to the ground floor, edit that one, and then select that 250. Okay, and then go to this one, go to this one, and then click this one, then okay. You will see that this should be on the top. You can move that one above, and then this should be on the below. Okay, that is this is the floor finish, and then this is structural concrete to show that. See, okay, this is the structural slab, and then this is the architectural slab. Okay, so you have ceiling, you have floor, architectural, you have concrete slab. So complete. So once you want to create your BIM model, you need to follow step by step to create the model. Okay, step by step. If you go here, you will see inside. See? And more and more and more. See? Okay guys, thank you very much. I think next topic we will go on curtain, how to work on the curtain, glazing, and then the staircase, and etc. And then after that, we will create the building from the beginning. And then after we finish the model, we will extract the views from the model, and then we will create a documentation how to make the tagging, how to make a section, how to make, this is in actual practice, not basic, this is practice, not by experience by the other persons. They created the model, and after that they doesn't know how to put this on the sheet, how they don't know how to work on the production drawing, just only modeling. So here I will teach you how to work on production drawing, no? Marlon Espinosa, thank you sir, thank you very much, and I think see you by next Friday. So anything you can ask me for a question for a while. You can type, you can send a message. I will answer you based on the monitor. Cheers to me, thank you. Chris to me, thank you very much. Okay, next time our topic is how to work on structural glazing. I will teach you how to make a modeling on the massing on the building, we can twist the building, and then that already uh, work on structural modeling. Of course, vice versa, we'll work on the interior. After we finish all the model, including mechanical, electrical, we will create a documentation on the side of architectural, structural, and other discipline. So I will teach you how to work on that international, not a local, it's that international. Because nowadays, I notice, because you know guys, three companies, they are offering me to do their drawings, or but the problem is they are squeezing my neck, because they want to make all my stuff. I will work to them alone, so I cannot get another project if I will sign a contract. But now again, I already got another opportunities, that the this is company from the USA. They are asking me, and we finish our meeting today. By next week, we will finalize and for the negotiation, and then maybe if God's will, I will take one big project, and I can get you inside if I notice that you are already very good on the BIM, because nowadays, you know, this is important really. In the Philippines, lack of BIM modelers, lack of technician, so too much hiring really. That's why this is your chance to learn. This is free. I did not ask you to pay me aids to share to you guys, especially for those who are interested for this new technology. Anyway, thank you very much, and I hope you learned something from me, and I hope you will use this as the basic tools, basic things to do for your own BIM model. Soon, you will create your own pilot project. Thank you very much, guy, and I hope don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos every Friday, the same time. I will make the live streaming. Dummers, great start, sir. Super interesting. Thank you very much, Dummyverse. Thank you very much. Also, I hope you can play this from time to time. You can share that, and then this is the beginning. But anyway, we will create our own pilot project once I pay the Zoom, because before I'm working with my team with the Zoom, but not connection. They allowed me only two persons. Before it was even if this 100 person I can accommodate, because that I can show you the linking, how to work on the linking from different discipline. You can work together for mechanical, electrical, structural, mechanical. You will see the classes of the category, the mechanical, electrical. So you will resolve that issue before the actual constructions of the project. Of course, once the building is already healthy, that is the time to extract the views from the model, and then place this on the sheet to create the production drawing from the beginning, from LOD 100 till LOD 310 until LOD 500. I think you need to be familiarized on the LODs also for the when I was there in Qatar. I think you can ask a question for me. So, Pora, Kitikdan, can we also create an automatic double wall of 200 thick solid exterior walls and 150 thick hollow wall with 50 insulation? Yes, you can add, but usually it should be separated. The double wall you can make a plaster, because the problem is, I can explain to you, the problem is in each room some designer, they created different types of finishes. For example, you have a gypsum wall on the interior, and then on the other side you have a cladding for marble stone. So if you will do that, you will create many types of finishes attached on the type of wall. Remember, types of finishes are different on the types of wall. When we say on the architectural, okay, the contractor asks you to, can you please give me the type of wall is not included the finishes that is on finishing schedule. That's why in Revit you need to segregate that, because if you will not segregate that, you will split in every room, but they are the same type of wall. For example, you use on external 200 millimeter, and then internal 150 millimeter, and then you place the finishing of ceramic tiles. How about if on the room, for example the bedroom, you are not using the ceramic tiles, but you created 150 with the attached double wall of the ceramic tiles, the finishes. So what you will do? Of course, you need to designate only on that particular area, because that is bathroom on the wall, the ceramic tiles around the walls. So you need to separate that. That's why in the actual construction, even on the documentation on the floor plan, you will not include the finishes on the wall. Do not attach that. That should be linked on the interior, and then the interior will do the types of finishes of the wall, and then they will create the schedule of the room finishing, room by room finishes based on the numbering of the room. So that is the easiest way how to do the walls. Type of walls is different. Type A, 100. Type B, 200. Type C, 300. And then whether if this is concrete, whether if this is gypsum board, that is different things from the finishes. If you will mix that, when you create the schedule, it will duplicate your quantity. That's why I am saying these things to do, because this is important. You will have a duplication on your schedule once you get the quantity of your materials. Buhaw Jag, salamat ng marami, bossing from Qatar. Thank you very much. Okay, I think I will say to you, here now is evening, so good evening and good afternoon. I think it's almost 7:30 now. Next time I will extend, because I will do something, because the client from US, they are asking me to submit the what they call this profile, company profile, and also the pricing. So I need to finish this, and then maybe tomorrow I will submit this to the client. So don't worry, I will include you, all of you, in my project, if God's will. Jenny Nabs, nice question, Pura, and best answer, Art Dan. Thank you for both of you. Thank you. So anything, we have a 30 minutes for question and answer, so I can explain to you. So I'm waiting for that question. And anyway, thank you very much, Jenny Dams. Okay. Got it po. Well, explore po later. Thank you po, and see you next Friday. Take care and good bless. Thank you, Parpura. Ang hirap naman, ang hirap naman i-pronounce, na bubulol ako. Anyway, thank you very much guys for your time. I think we will continue on the next topic. Once we finish all the command tools, we'll continue on the building modeling. Sir, should we subtract the overlapping wall from the column? No, that is automatic. It will automatic. Once you have a column, if you will attach the column, it will automatic deducted on the schedule. Para na lang po. Sige, para. Thank you, para. Palitan kong column, automatic yon na nadideduct siya. Imagine, pag ang column mo, inattach mo sa wall, hindi siya magjo-join. Nagjo-join ang dalawang object, ang dalawang category pag they are the same materials, katulad ng slab, i-connect mo sa beam. Hindi magjo-join yan pag they are different in materials. But if they are the same materials, they will join each other. So take note, they will join each other. Palitan ko po next time. Thank you. Bossing, quick question para sa yung term na LOD 360. Walang LOD 360. Hanggang LOD 500 lang. Yang 360, Global 360 yan. Ano yan? Viewers, ano yan? Autodesk 360. Yan ang ginagamit ngayon na para halimbawa nasa ibang bansa ka, gusto mo makita, dun mo gagamit ka ng 360. Pero pang view lang yan. Kaya Autodesk 360. Dommiverse. Sir Dan, malaki po ba ang difference ng Revit and architectural desktop when it comes sa mga commands and concept how to generate ng project? Oo, malaki. Ang Revit kasi Autodesk din yan. Yung architectural desktop, iba rin yon. Pero the more na gamit ngayon globally, when we say BIM, they registered in their own mind Revit. Palasakta. Pero ang BIM kasi is only a process. Ang Revit, tools yan. Mga AutoCAD tools yan to implement the process of BIM, the Building Information Modeling. So, magkaiba yung BIM, process yun, parang ang procedure niya na paggagawa ng bahay, tapos yung Revit, gamit yung parang martilyo para mabuo yung bahay. So, ang BIM process yan. Kaya maraming software ng mga BIM ngayon sa market. Yung Nemesec, no? BIM yan. Yung mga infrastructure, yung robot, sa structural, mga software ng BIM. So, magkaiba yun. Thank you. Thank you, Tabs. Okay, bossing. Salamat po muli from Qatar. Thank you very much. So, any question para at least ma-enlighten kayo? Kasi pagdating ng panahon, marami kayo tatanong, sasagutin natin ng tama yan. So, at least matuto kayo. Kasi, yan ang natin yan. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dommiverse. Thank you very much. Okay. So, magtatapos na po tayo. We will continue on the next Friday. So, we have remaining 25 minutes. If it doesn't have question, I will close now. I will end my live stream. And thank you very much for all the viewers who supported my live streaming. Para dito po ba sa Revit, we can see po the future discrepancy in architecture and structural. We call that classes, not discrepancy. Classes. So, makikita ka agad dyan once na dinidevelop nyo na yung model. Doon pa lang sa pagmo-model, makikita nyo kung saan na yung sabitan. And then, merong mga coordinator, pero usually, we are using the Naviswork. No? Naviswork, we will run this on Naviswork, and then the Naviswork will detect the classes on different model per discipline. And then the Naviswork will give the code number and then that code number you will enter on your model. For example, you are fixing the classes on your Revit model, you will enter the ID code, and then it will automatically show you where is the exact locations of the classes between the MEP, structural, electrical. It will highlight it, and then after that, once you get that location, you can extract to your modeler or coordinator that you need to fix that, and then adjust that, adjust down or adjust up, or move to the right, to the left. So after that, after fixing, it will become clear, and when you run it again on the Navisworks, it will clear. It will become 0, 0. Once all the classes fixed, it will become okay, and it will give a report that you have now a 0, 0 classes on the Navisworks. Also, I will teach you on how to work on the Navisworks for the scheduling, for those people who want to become estimator, or those who want to become a quantity surveyor. Pag marunong kang QS ka, marunong ka ng BIM Revit sa quantity, sa 5D, nako, ang lalaki ng sweldo niyan sa ibang bansa, maniwala kayo. Malaki sweldo niyan. It is an advantage to you guys. If you are engineer or if you are architect, malaki ang advantage nyo. Mas malaki ang sweldo nyo. So dapat, bilang mga professional tayo, nag-a-advance tayo. Huwag tayong habang buhay lang, taga-draftsman ka. Hindi dapat ganon. Kasi tapos na tayo sa pagiging draftsman, engineer, architect, tapos na pagiging draftsman eh. Kaya pag mag-apply kayo, huwag kayo mag-apply ng draftsman kasi mababa ang tingin nila eh. Kaya yung mga Indians, akala nila draftsman lang yung mga arkitekto. Kasi may mga nakikita ako na draftsman pa rin. Dapat mag-level up kayo. Hindi po pwede yung habang buhay draftsman. Kasi lalo na lisensyado tapos draftsman lang. Mag-level up kayo yung tinatawag na may vision kayo sa inyong sarili na pagdating ng panahon magiging ganito ako. Wag lang, kasi may kakilala ako nung nasa Saudi ako, draftsman siya, nagsimula, tapos nung nakapasa draftsman pa rin, hanggang ngayon draftsman pa rin. Sabi ko, hindi ka na nag-level up. Nasayang tuloy yung career mo. Dapat nag-a-adjust tayo hanggang ma-reach mo yung tinatawag na kung kaya mo kunin yung project manager, kunin mo. Pero kung satisfied ka na ron, walang magagawa. Sa'yo yun eh. It's up to you, di ba? Dito po okay. Sir, i-discuss nyo ba ang 4D planning? Oh, di-discuss natin yan. 4D planning, 5D, 6D, 7D, 8D, 10D. So, 10Ds lahat yun. Dati 7Ds lang. Ngayon, 10Ds na. Facility management, sustainability, lean construction. Discuss natin yan. Looking forward to it for you, said now bossing excited much here. Salamat. Thank you very much. So, and any questions? So, exactly, we have now 20 minutes. So, tanong nyo na yung gusto nyo itanong. At least, kung kaya kong sagutin, sasagutin natin yan ng buong puso. So, ang purpose ko nito, para lahat ng young aspirants matuto. Kasi tinatalo tayo ng mga Indiano eh. Yung mga tinuruan kong Indiano when I was in Kuwait, actually, implementation sa Pilipino, ang nangyayari, wala nag-aaral. Tapos yung mga Indiano, ang dami. No choices ako. Di napilitan akong turuan. Tapos, nung natuto ng mga Indiano, saka sila nagkaroon ng interest. Di huli na. Diba? Nice. Thank you again po. Di huli na. Sayang. Kaya, yung mga Indiano, masyadong interesado sila. Sana tayo bilang Pilipino, mag-explore tayo. Mag-increase tayo ng knowledge. Wag lang yung isa lang. Kasi mas maganda yung dalawa kaysa isa. Mas maganda yung dalawang alam mo. So, kayo, ini-encourage ko kayo bilang mga young professional. Ini-encourage ko kayo na develop your career, increase your career. Kasi mga bata pa kayo, kumbaga marami pa kayong mangyayari sa buhay. Magiging passion niya, magiging career niya. Mas maganda isang professional. Kaya may kakilala ko dyan, lisensyado, walang alam sa AutoCAD, walang alam sa mga software, site lang daw siya. Sabi ko, di habang buhay, site ka. Ay paano pag marami ng demand sa site, hindi ka maka-apply sa iba? Ito, share ko lang sa inyo yung yung experience ko. My first time when I was in Saudi Arabia during that time, hindi ako nag-apply ng draftsman. Nag-apply ako as a designer. Pero hindi pa ako licensed na. Designer ang in-applyan ko. Kasi ang tingin kasi nila sa draftsman, baba, kala mo yung draftsman hindi nakatapos ng architecture. Graduate ka naman. Kaya designer lagi nilalagay ko pag nag-apply ako. Tip ko lang sa inyo, guys. Tapos, ang ginawa ko, kung saan yung madali, dun ako. Hindi ko pinahihirapan yung sarili ko. Dito pala yung madali, ba't ko pahihirapan yung sarili ko, di ba? So, ganoon din. Nakita ko yung kahalagahan ng pagiging, kasi when I was in Kuwait, project architect ako sa project, malaki. Sabi ko, yung project manager at saka yung BIM manager, nagtatanong sa akin, kasi hindi nila ako as a senior project architect, at the same time, BIM implementation ako. Nagtuturo ako, katuwa ko yung Autodesk. Pero, bago pa lang kasi noon way back 2010 pa yun bago, hindi pa nga, unheard pa nga yung yung BIM Revit sa Kuwait hindi sila interesado Tapos ganoon din. Sa Dubai, medyo okay na kasi sa Dubai, nag-training din ako doon Kaya, yun ang kagandahan yan. Tiyaga lang kayo. Kita mo si Eugene. Si Eugene, magaling na. High level na sila Si Eugene, sino pa to? Si Mark, si Marlon, yung mga dati kong estudyante dyan sa Qatar. Basta, increase lang ng increase, aral lang ng aral. Kasi mapapakinabangan nyo yan Kita nyo, pag marami kayong alam, maraming kukuha sa inyo. Pag isa lang ang alam mo, kasi ngayon, iba na Labanan na ngayon sa paramihan ng alam. Di ba? Tama ba ako mga kaibigan? Ini-inspired ko lang kayo bilang mga young aspirants na pati yung pagpapataas ng sweldo, pag marami ka alam, tataasan ng sweldo mo kasi ikaw din nakakaalam nun Sa Pilipinas, yung tumawag nga sa akin isang araw, sabi sa akin, sir, wala talaga kaming makuha company na na may mga nakakausap kami, hindi nagpapanggap lang na hindi naman talaga, hindi nila ma-deliver ng maayos. Sabi niya, buti nakausap namin kayo. Sabi ko, hindi naman tayo sanay naman tayo dyan, sabi ko gano'n. Kaya yun lang ang kagandahan. At kung wala na magtatanong, maraming salamat po sa inyo at muling sa susunod po na ating pagkikita sa next Friday. Salamat po at kung may mga katanungan kayo, ilista nyo na para at least kung masasagot po natin, it God's will. Salamat po ng marami. Rendering po, it-touch din po ba natin? Rendering! Sabi nga sa'yo, lahat Lahat. Rendering. Gusto nyo infrastructure. Tumpak na tumpak, matinding lagapak bossing. Salamat. Last question ko muna. Exterior, tuturo natin yan. Ang ginagawa ko dyan, parang pinaka-tip, yung natapos ko na yung modeling ko, export ko yon, titirahin ko naman sa 3D Max yun. O kaya dun sa 5D render, ang ganda. Pwede nyo dalayin sa Loom yun. Pero mas realist, mas katotohanan, yung totoo talaga pag nasa 3D Max. Pero hindi ko na ginagawa yun kasi maliit na lang, dami kalaban sa pagre-render Ang wala kang kalaban, BIM ka. Coordinator ka, modeler ka, ang laki ng sweldo mo. Yun lang. Dapat marunong kang pataas ng sweldo mo. Sapphire Pink, thank you very much. Okay? Wala na pong tanong at magtatapos na po tayo. I-close na po natin. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. At God bless all of you. Thank you very much guys. Sa susunod po muli. At yung mga subscriber ko po, salamat po sa inyo ng marami.